Hey guys, it's Ghost57 coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this really cool sign by Ring that actually lights up at night via the solar panel. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it and see it's worth your hard-working money. Stay tuned guys. So let's go ahead and get started by unboxing this huge box. You can see by the hand, I have a huge hand. This is a pretty big box, so probably a pretty big sign. Pretty nice. I think this is a must-have for any type of do-it-yourself home security system, is to have a visual sign that the intruders can actually see. So a lot of people actually just put signs out from other security companies in their yard to deter people without actually having a security system. So a visual is awesome to have in the yard, and especially if you don't have one, or if you have one, just to deter intruders before they even get to your front door by having a nice sign. So the cool thing about this one is actually powered at night, so nighttime illumination, which is probably one of the few on the market, and it's solar powered, so you don't have to worry about extension cords or anything like that running through your yard. And it's a quick and easy install, and it's also weather resistant. So see if there's anything fancy on the back. I guess it shows you how it's going to look at night with the fancy brightness, brightening up the night, so even at night the intruders can see that you're protected by Ring. So it says protect your home with illumination as a first warning sign. This is also the simplest way to deter people, like I was saying before. So let's go ahead and just jump into it, unbox the box, and see what we got in this box.
Okay, so we're going to take off these two security tabs on the bottom of the box. Nothing too fancy about them, but it does keep your box securely closed. So we're going to take off these little tapes, just like so, and we're just going to pull it out. Nothing fancy to unboxing this box. We're going to go ahead and flip this box open, the Ring box, and see what's inside. So as you see, it is very easy to set up. There is the instruction guide. A whopping 5-stepper, very easy, nothing complicated. You even have to connect this to your Ring app, just pretty much plug and play. And there's a beautiful sign from Ring. Look at that beauty. That is such a gorgeous sign. And then you got your little post right there so you can stick in the ground. Wonder what's in this little box over here. Let's see. And there's nothing in this little small box. Quite odd, but yes, that's all you get in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into it, put it together, and put it in the yard.
And there's a sign out of the box. It looks like pretty good quality. It is actually big, like I was thinking, because of the size of the box. I have a huge hand, and it's bigger than my hand. So pretty big sign. You can see it from the driveway or coming up to your house, which is great, especially if someone tries to rob you. You might think twice with this fancy sign in front of your house. And it also says audio and video surveillance, which Ring does have. So we're going to take a look at the solar panels on top. You can see them right over here. Pretty nice, built into the little case it has. Again, it does say it's weather resistant, and there's your on and off button. So the cool thing about the Ring is you get two different stands. You have a shorter one if you want it lowered to the ground. Then it gives you the optional to increase the length to pretty long if you have higher shrubs or you just want it pointing out of the ground a little bit more. So we're going to go ahead and install it into the yard and see how it looks. We're going to let it charge up for a couple hours, then we'll take it back track and see how nice it looks at night with the beautiful illumination. Stay tuned guys, and I'll show you how beautiful it looks. Okay guys, so we're already outside. We're going to put this in the yard. As you see from my other sign, this is actually a lot bigger, and I'm going to use the extra additional length to it just because I have pretty huge bushes. So we're going to go ahead and dig it into the ground. Just like that. Most important part, guys, is to hit the on button. Okay guys, so now that we put the on button, we're going to go ahead and let it charge up by the sun for about 6 hours. We're going to come back out here and see how well it performs at night. Stay tuned guys, we'll jump back into it.
Okay guys, so let it charge for about 3 hours. Moment of truth, it's nice and dark outside. We're going to see if the sign's actually on. Oh my goodness guys, it is on. Nice. It looks actually better at night than during the day. I give it so far 2 thumbs up. If If you like this video, guys, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave them down below. Ghost Bit Miner out, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.